If you're an underfunded investor with only $100 or so to put in play, you can grow that money slowly over time through traditional investing, but you'd better be patient. Another option for the less patient perhaps would be to take some big risks up front to try to turn that $100 into a respectable pile of seed money much quicker. Your hundo would certainly be a whole lot more useful with an extra zero, but if turning a C note into a G were some easy task, no one would have to work. First, you need to understand that turning $100 into $1,000 requires a whopping 1,000% return. Even some of the world's most successful companies still take years to return 1,000%. However, that doesn't mean it's not possible. You just need to take much riskier bets. Consider your options. Options trading, that is. Right now, there's a stock out there somewhere that will earn its investors 1,000% in the relatively near future. All you have to do is guess which one it is and buy it at just the right time. Or you could take your $100 to where the casino wing of the stock market begins, where options traders risk large-scale losses in the pursuit of gargantuan gains. Instead of buying or selling securities like stocks, options traders buy contracts that give them the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell shares sometime in the future based on how they think the security will perform. While this kind of investing can deliver bigger, faster returns, options trading is much more complex than buying and holding an ETF, and this high-stakes corner of the stock market is notorious for handing out losses that compound at a terrifying pace. Stock options are very, very risky, but they allow you to turn a small amount of money into a lot. Credit cards, banks, and brokerages offer juicy bonuses to new customers, but they can only cash in once, unless more than one customer gets organized. Consider a rolling membership transfer pool, one of the most unique and least risky quick cash ideas that you'll find. The concept is relatively simple. You and your friends pool your money and open bank accounts with promotional returns like $300 if you open an account and do these 5 things within the first month. There's no law against working together to extract the greatest value from the greatest number of promotional bank accounts. One could pool their money among 6 friends, open 6 accounts, 2 at each branch, and earn money in promotions. People used to do this in the 1970s with bank accounts to get free toasters and other giveaways because banks were limited in what they could give away. The best idea of all: invest it in yourself. Going on a red-hot options run is a fast and highly improbable way to turn your $100 into $1,000. By investing that $100 in your future, on the other hand, you might be able to turn it into $1,000 many times over down the road. It's highly unlikely that you'll find a 9-bagger investment, so focus more on the utility that you can get out of $100, said Grigory Lukin, a former Amazon financial analyst who retired at 34 and is now a blogger at Let's Retire Young. Although he expected his advice to sound patronizing and weird, Lukin gave the example of a $2 investment in floss saving thousands of dollars in dental care down the road. Buy books on personal finance to learn more. Invest whatever money you have into your knowledge and skill set. Turn that cash into a force multiplier as your new skills and super healthy gums will help you crush the competition and get far ahead in life. If you're underfunded and have $100, use that money to get a certification or skill that can advance your career. There are no reliable get-rich-quick schemes, so instead of wasting that $100, leverage it for a skill set that can get you paid a whole lot more in a job. You can also leverage day trading to earn income. How to earn $100 with day trading? Purchases and sales of securities on that single date are known as day trading. The most successful day traders invest sufficient effort in market analysis to turn a gain. Here are a few tips to help you stand out. Analytical mathematics. The use of mathematics in evaluation is crucial for all day traders. You may use it to analyze patterns as well as forecast the results of certain deals. Don't worry if arithmetic isn't your powerful trait. You could always pick up the fundamentals, such as how to interpret graphs and trends. Furthermore, to make matters even perfect, you may employ outstanding automation techniques and programs. These analytical tools got your support if you're focused on commodities, currency trading, equity markets, cryptocurrencies, and CDCs. It's crucial to keep in mind that employing the proper tools or systems, like Bitcoin Loophole, offers customers the assurance that the actions you're taking are supported by factual information. Keep up with industry movements. Knowing what occurs in the cryptocurrency industry at all times is crucial. Watching the headlines and monitoring sites might help you with this. The information may also be found on social networks, however, only from trusted websites. Making the best choice would be aided by keeping up with the latest developments. Industry research through news services is just as significant as technological research. A key component of trading in cryptocurrencies is risk management. If you control your chance, you can sell for an extremely prolonged period before giving up. Investing exclusively in things you could make a loss upon is the initial stage. As a newbie, stay away from making large investments. Trying to make slow development is the best course of action since you must endure the steep climb. Look to expand. You must diversify, just as with any different type of business. Need not invest all your funds in still one cryptocurrency token because we offer several various kinds. Consider investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies by looking at those that are functioning effectively. It is among the greatest methods for risk management. You may make a living with many other cryptocurrencies if one currency is underperforming. Be persistent and tolerant. In investing, persistence and tolerance are quite helpful. Since you will probably have certain successful and poor times whenever investing, it's indeed vital to maintain patience. Consistency is crucial since it will speed up your learning. You should become familiar with patterns and statistics as a novice. Consequently, daily trading would aid in your learning. Earnings from cryptocurrency are taxed at 50%. Since it enables you to increase your revenue and minimize your threat, this would be an excellent spot to put your gain. Each investor, in actuality, seems to have a choice based on the level of a chance they seem to be prepared to face.